wanna see how we alone. Look how hard we try, nobody here we cry. Them no care for you for we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one.
See it now, it's a new morning, new day. So for this morning, right now, I'll get some. See if it pat ready. The mercy. I look about Vlogcember. Who didn't name my food? See, I have food on the chinese, I joke on white span.
Where the video food for?
I don't have video nothing.
I tell people to see Polly the drinks first.
Come, I want to talk to Polly for me, Tino.
Not
You know? I want to talk to Polly for me, you know? Because Polly's scared. Polly's very scared. From Polly know herself, she never have no issue yet. And since of lately, of course, Polly when they come, I'm telling the truth. So Polly they cuss. And then they bother him. You know, either family still, as what she has said.
And go on smooth. When they go on smooth until she started this happen, that happen, we try to fix everything. Everything try to fix. So in the last part now, me and his son. I mean his son cause his son, so his son I go on somewhere like you want to come lick me and all that thing. So I have to just a trace. To about me. I cuss up, alright, that's what I turn up, you know. I cuss up till all of me head. I never feel my head, you know. I never feel it at the same time. And at night now, me looking at me eye, that eye red like a blood.
You see me?
And
So
the other morning, me they talk about it and they say, Polly, you know, say pressure. Let me go test the pressure, man. And I mean this.
So after all of that, you know, over people place. I mean, I say, I don't understand that, because if somebody look out for you, why you that? If somebody need to look out for you, why you that make you get a house? All of this, you know? And let me show you Polly. You know, probably know Polly house already, so I have to grow and go show you. Polly Manchan. You know, Polly Manchan. And him and Polly a sister. But what go on is, from that the police deal with pressure. You know? But to me, I'm going to tell you the truth, I feel like you're scared. You know, I feel like Polly kind of afraid. You know, and through them, right.
You know, but super stamp about them pressure. I don't get people about pressure. So, you know, say salt bring up your pressure. So now, it's like, to me now, you know, go start, go pass, you have this search up. So they tell say, we go, like say, I want this sick, so you can go strokes and rare take and sit, so you have to be careful and all person. So that.
You know? So, because of that Polly top, I hardly want to eat food, you know, literally. But as I say, I know people, people have pressure, but them still eat them food, you know? And all of that. Even some stuff they still not to eat, people still they eat. But I tell her if you eat what she not supposed to, but I say just go and eat, see and you know what I mean, stop work. Because the more you even worry about it, I feel like I'm more it will bother you. You know? Eat bonafide while it pass out. Overall while it pass out no good, but
you said me they cook me meat and France.
You still have a white snack.
Yeah.
Like a painter.
You said me they cook me meat. I season meat, and from me use my seasoning and my meat, and from the taste, you know, have to put, you said me put liquor in the pot, don't put in the dumpling. And then put liquor in the dumpling, don't put in the pot. So.
I not understand. But anyway,
Ziggy,
I want to know drop in the comment section and tell you what. Oh, for anybody who have trouble with pressure and them thing there, I want to know his settings. I don't give Polly some info. Come on, Polly eat some food, but Polly eat of him food. You know? Because if I tell her, say, oh, and again, I not plan to jump. You know? You see, if you hear me run one little jokes, and my mother they talk to young boy, nobody feel like, say, I saw me and Polly flex. Say, see, who go come in, come talk about, say, Polly better watch himself and all of them. Say, Polly better than that. You get what I say?
that's what they say?
Because when they say, like, you say, pick your 2 shirts, because
Oh.
I mean, I say, but probably they call me pick your shirt for young boy, I must probably boyfriend. So, like, somebody I say, but what probably they talk to young boy for? He better watch himself, eh? So, I say, no. You know, I just so we run the joke and deal with the thing, you see me, because we can't stay so. You know?
Why for that? But not talk to young man.
But you don't know.
Not the assault.
So in the morning now we are go cut up some plant for Nyla.
Anybody if talk to somebody have to be 50 and over.
So you can go on so whole.
Not my children them age. None of my pity them age. None of me pity them age. Not too much. Not too much.
So you don't talk to somebody who are 45, 46.
Yeah, then the age they will not me yes, but when I'm mark age, no business what no.
I'm a bigger brother named Mark, for all probably they ask.
Me not chat to Mark age.
And then for all how they ask about my other sister who used to work in other place, say that Camille, that are the baller, is me she not there foot. Is me if you're in there foot, you know I probably see her in a vlog from the first day from me touchdown see me. Is me but she not there foot. Is me. I mean, I don't know how much I probably see all of my sister them already. And I probably see Renette. I mean, I don't know Tovia. You see me? Probably I turn down back the stove, man. So I put back the eat and then I have some plantain porridge. You see me? Probably look about some plantain porridge and say alright. Until I come, until I rise up, you can get it. So. Yeah. You want me to forward there? Yo, literally everybody will come. I tell you now what I want. Everybody will come sell Pally goods. Or what? I say they want Pally for date. Pally must give them in number, make them carry, bring her out on a date because they love Pally at the person. You know? From young to old. I'm going to show you kill out of door. This man I do. I think me tell them about I think Nisha me tell about this man. You know? I'm showing you what I want to say. As a boy I grew up and we there around in that place and you don't know you'd have ice cream and them come around, you know? But then time this man when you have him bike and he used to come around and sell him ice cream and them stuff there, but once he lost ice cream left like he lost, so why the boss always make sure he just goes to the boodoo and call all the youths them and give all the youths them then cone ice cream all of them thing. You see me? But me ain't, so I always give boss a yell up whenever I call. And you know, we have to give thanks for you. What go on now?
I'm not complaining now.
You're not complaining.
I'm more live.
Nyla?
Live with me every 150%. I every day so you can't come anytime.
Yeah.
So I'm there in the trip. Maybe remind and let me say about.
Oh,
So my wife is.
she in the house, man. How you have her, sir?
Eh?
How you have her, sir?
And he got you that. I mean, some folks here may have that.
Oh, see there. Oh, I say. I may tell you, say this someone always a doing thing, you know? When say pork in that?
Not this thing.
That have a pally?
You know, 2 sides here, I must have 4 pounds.
Eh.
A 4 pounds or 5 you want.
So me always check for pally, you know?
I'm miserable. Miserable bag.
Eh?
Yeah.
What?
I ring cinema.
Oh, what?
You're not supposed to.
Oh, you're not supposed to water, so. I said they water down everything nowadays. So. Let me see what going on in there.
I had in this one.
Yeah, man.
Yes, I had pork. I used to have a kill, you know.
Yes, you kill a yag?
Yeah, Mama, man.
Jar on this.
So me come out, young girl in the bus out. So me come out Saturday daytime, me say.
Oh.
Me carry, you know. I suppose it is like 4 pounds.
Yeah, 4 pounds that there. But a different name they found that there.
I have a silver name.
Yeah, man, I feel probably that.
Right. Because we type in name that we don't make no mistake, you know.
Oh, are you mean go get a while ago, you know, my boss?
Eh?
How are you probably gone? Gone, nice, sir. Eh? Cooking.
What do you mean?
A business yard, you know.
One woman may have. One may right in
Let me
the
tell you.
You know.
Let me tell you about your army. Everything when they go after, I'm your one friend that you can. I use the money there. I like you.
The argument no.
I want make sure like Indian.
Try why you just no for them. That's how that.
That man, you know, I don't pork.
A 16 people for them. $400 for.
Oh,
Yeah,
$400 a pound.
Yeah,
So 2 8 or 6.
16.
I want big pig. I want little one.
Well, you see, I'm sorry, 90 something.
90 something pound. You take off here, them off for your way.
I'm going to take part of it. I'm going to check off put everything as I do know.
Yeah.
So I want to say that £4.
No. You know, you're clear that Mr. Richard have said, don't give me.
I'm going to talk of it, you know.
Not all.
I don't know argument one.
Yeah, what go on there?
If you get up on the ladder with the emotion,
Yeah.
then you tap your head there, so you will get peace.
Yeah. That's how I want big piece of jerk food with that jerky.
I'm sorry, I didn't get to call him back to tell him to pick a piece.
It like it so see there. Some plantain porridge. But as I tell myself, through Polly, I say she don't want to eat nothing too salt or too sweet, so she don't sweeten it. She just left it so she take out for her already and just left it so. I just warm up this, make Nisha get some of that money, you know. Around to a bit. I'm going to fry some plantain and stuff in there. This miserable. You. So miserable. So the plantain when my uncle can come. The plantain when my uncle can come. Then just start ripe up and all. Then just start turning if you say. Yeah. Just start turning out and all. But we ain't go buy a plantain last night because Nyla like our plantain. So. But that's good. At least we have enough plantain. Can use. I may have fry some right now. I know and then burn.
Yo, why did I just get murdered in the washroom?
Mosquito?
Bruh, my toe, my side of my foot, in
Yeah,
the
man.
worst places where it's like hard for me to scratch comes
Then-
so maga, like
Then
bruh.
dangerous one.
Jesus.
For this one. Turn off this.
Good morning. Yo.
Probably no space now there, so if you're walking.
Alright.
Oh, there's no one though. See you there.
All of that? No way.
Now what that's your drink?
No, the table, Polly, the table.
Table.
This.
Oh, that's right.
That's not on my.
Are you like that now?
No.
You want to put me in my place?
Did you just blow it?
Yeah.
Yesterday I thought it was brown sugar you use, you know.
I use a little bit. Peanut in it?
Yeah.
No, you can't say peanut in it.
You can't tell?
Don't hear that?
You can't tell?
Honestly, man, just hungry yesterday morning.
Yeah, but you can't tell
Just
say
in the
peanut
whops
in
up
it.
it.
Peanut and peanut.
Should I taste it, Nisha?
It's good.
No?
It's good. You don't want too sweet.
Alright, it's sweet and good.
Sweet for me.
Menu. You say that's dead to God, say menu. Lava, 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 lava. What time? Oh.
Huh?
Right.
Bread?
Honey bread.
Holly, good up bread.
That's it. That's that left.
This?
So one more cookings. Oh yeah, follow me. Ah, yeah, follow me, Adjo.
Let me see this.
Yeah, so yesterday, after I got a ball field too. Last time we keep the fundy. How when the last time you come? When I keep the fundy when you come by last time?
Yeah. We did something small.
When we
but
come
no
down.
choice. This food. Food. Food, popcorn. We had rented the stuff from Lauren.
Yeah. But
Oh,
The last time we came here, we went to Kingston's Hospital for the little kids. We did that with Sue and them. And then our the last day here into the new year, we did something.
but yo, big man levers.
Wait.
Oh, that's somebody I call funny. You them what we deal with back then, and now yo, I got a ball field go see the man them assault. Yo,
They're big.
a big pitney them, the man them big your friend, like them man they not even that they like you give man them one of this. If they probably a say yo. Man them probably a say, Ziggy, give me the message here. Big man, you know man. Yeah, like girl left there right there probably I say after me and a baby.
Daddy, look at
So right now,
shoes.
oh yeah, that's nice.
Daddy, this is for Barbies right here.
Okay, that's cute.
And it has this, like, Barbie. They're so weird. Those cool. I see. Different.
Yeah, so it's like you literally have to go just make sure say all of this have to that age group there. Smaller
We said
age
11
group.
and under.
Wow,
But-
this is cool.
I'm searching myself.
Whoa, true.
11 and under, but these kids are big, bro.
Yeah.
Even like I'm like, well, I don't even feel like they would play with like action figures.
Nah. Even like Sasha Gay, no, I don't see what they have to feel like Sasha Gay group. Yeah. But most of who went around there and them kind of roughly in the same age group as Sasha Gay. You know? But for sure, me know, like, if you just have one day, if you just enjoy themselves,
Yeah, like
slide in a pool, jump around at trampoline, and we have
And
cook
you-
food and
yeah.
something for them and so. I feel like they would still enjoy, but all of what they saw that just for the smaller kids them. I swear that we can do it the right way. What does that mean?
Do it.
Probably we can do something with them 2 speakers there for them then.
There's 2 speakers. I think there's a tablet, 2 headphones.
But we runs up something like educational wise, like, you know.
That, or you do like a team up. Actually, no.
But
We said we're
if
gonna
you
do
do
the
one team or then go share it.
No, remember we said we're gonna do the bucket game. So the 2 teams, a bucket, and a team that win, we're gonna treat them to KFC or something, or pizza. No.
Okay.
Or that. But then I saw. I was also thinking like if we have like do team of 5, they each can get like $1,000. We'll figure something out.
Even that would be fun.
Yeah.
Can make you want a call.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna tell you what. AG moves so fast. I can kill a dog and today dog hurt strong too, you know. So literally, day before yesterday, I had a virgin birthday. And my father's birthday. Bless me. And today this is my birthday, same speed too. Yeah. I'm gonna see how you show you kill a ton. Let's see how you cheat that. Yeah, check in back door and book up on the cause.
So guys, we're about to organize all the toys and start to wrap them. And there's more stuff inside. Just trying to organize it because we underestimated the ages of these kids and most of them are big.
How cool.
See, yeah, no, there's one suitcase missing with stuff. Because there's way more car toys than that.
Guys, we're gonna wrap the toys with this, but we can't open it. But can't open all of them because the Barbies can't open.
Don't bring your stuff up here, Nyla. Ziggy, there's a white lizard in the room.
In our room?
I went to grab something on the bed and I just see it trickle down. You don't have a lot of big kid stuff. Like, I have some little stuff there, but it's not a lot.
Honestly?
So I feel like if I'm gonna go get anything, if I'm gonna have bigger kid stuff. Like, little bead stuff, remote control car. But what what we're gonna do is, so this all the little kid stuff.
Yeah.
I'm gonna wrap them in this color and part like be on it for baby.
Like, Charlotte on Christmas tree to make nice.
Here, take this Ziggy.
Oi! I'll probably introduce them. The camera too. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. So I'm anti this and anti pot. What do you mean organization? You can just watch it from your and see her. Give them a juice,
Give them a name of juice.
Yes, the name of my juice is...
Go out, I'm coming like full shit, yeah. Come your juice now.
Hey, transform your life with the rock cock. Triple action, stamina juice. Number 1, stiff cock. Number 2, pum pum cream and happy. Number 3, baby making juice.
You mix it. You mix me want Ziggy here in my juice them.
I watch you back, man.
In my juice them.
They say, are you make them from scratch?
Yeah,
What do you mean?
More.
So, like one way you have? One, like I just juice alone? Oh, see. No, because like probably I say like I just juice. So I say if I just juice alone, you make and sell like.
Oh yeah, like from scratch with.
Okay.
I mean with roots, with Irish mash, but with Irish mash peanut and all that.
Oh, seen.
Yes.
Yeah, Chang juice.
Chang juice.
Back up.
The name is Dr. Cut Triple Action Stamina Juice. Number 1, stiff cut. Number 2, pum pum cream and happy. Number 3, baby make.
Boy, lock up your ears, boy. You must say that must bring baby. That man come in. I want to run the road, you know. I want to run the road every night, so I don't want them a juice here. So which way you sell them? Like you just have them or what?
Yeah, right on Sunday.
Okay. Alright, so we don't know. From in my town, Clarkstown, we don't know say up on the Sunday daytime when you can't find. Partner no number or nothing. No. Hold on, I go get them to look. Oh, go again.
My number is.
Yeah, chop them.
Hey, the number for the Dr. Cup. The Dr. Cup Triple Action Stamina Juice is 862-9125. Link me.
Yeah,
to
straight.
make your girls pum pum happy.
Solid. No money. Dante, on the juice. Eh? Make you pum pum happy. Pot of the juice, you know. Chang back. Yeah. Anything at all. You see me? No joke. Yes, sir. Nisha, you know what that juice? Happy pum pum juice.
What?
I find why I give you what you need. I know what you like. I really for me. Tell me something, yes, that I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I got to live, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other one.
Get that laugh. Hi guys, I helping mommy, but he already see my mouth. Like, mommy, get more.
I did. Here.
Oh, guys, so this is when it's...
Come down. Yeah.
Guys, I want you to see this for now.
What are you doing? Tell them what you're doing.
I'm just helping mommy, but I was trying to suitcase for the house. I'm tired. I'm tired too. I'm not tired.
Where's the sugar?
Taxi, mommy.
But where's the spoon?
What is that?
It's jelly butt things.
Try it.
No.
Nala don't want to try none of the fruits.
Chop them. See they place all I look dark up. Place all I get dark up and also. So you don't know for the days I say me end up just finish paint off a poly place and when they out to do a chill out and relax and everybody a bed up. So we just want you to say yo, we love the whole of what go on. Me like how everybody a chop in pan the vlog them and a go and link up and everything. So just big up on yourself, see me go and like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, tell a friend we link up over the newbie fam because I feel vibes over here. So you see me and check in, big up on yourself, enough love and the heart. Bless up. We're out.
Through the storm when the rain is up, we saw no one.